Registration number 16 BEC 0191 428 and 19 BEC 0045. The students who are belonging to this project group. Okay. So what is their status? Whether they are responding to the project or they are not responding to the project, please share it in the chat box. What is their status? Involvement in project. Ankit Kumar, Pawan Sri Sai, Anirudh, 19 BEC 45, 18 BEC 428, and 16 BEC 190.
Sir, have you sent any attendance form for this lecture?
To create a task 1 to task 5, all the Google Doc files for attendance. I will take it directly from that.
Okay, sir.
Create the task 5 Google Doc file.
So 1 to 4 we have already done, right? So we need to do extra 5, right?
No. 1 to 4 you have already done means not an issue. Some students like 16 BEC 0191, 18 BEC 0428, 19 BEC 0045, not all attending any of the classes. Like Anirudh, what is your status? For them, I have given that caution. That
Yes, sir.
For,
I've already uploaded.
okay, what you do is you open your laptop. I will make you as a presenter. Show me the timer and port programming lively.
Sorry, sir.
Timer and port programming. Task number 3. Present me lively.
1 second, sir.
You are in E1 batch or E2 batch theory? Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
You are in E1 or
sir.
E2? Huh?
E2, sir.
E2. Okay. Show me.
One second. I'm opening.
Why you didn't upload all the tasks on time?
Sir, I forgot to upload on Meetup, sir.
So
you told me to mail with task 3 and task 4.
Not mail, you have to upload in Meetup.
Upload with task 3 and
don't give a wrong interpretation.
Mail, no, sir.
Mail you have to do defaultly.
Yes, sir.
That is default for everyone. So that everyone are doing except first 3 members in this batch. Share it fast, man. Then have to start explaining your task number 4.
Sir, actually, I have not done task 3, sir.
Not done task 3. You see, this shows your involvement, man. Who is your proctor?
Christopher Clement, sir.
Christopher Clement. Okay, he's my best friend. I am going to call him now. Directly before you, I will be informing. Because all the codes I have given now, why you are not able to do more than 2 weeks completed? Before CAT, I gave that codes. You want to be like the other 2 students, I think so. Pavan
So,
and
no, sir. Sir, I have not done
Huh?
completely, sir. I have not done
Hello, sir.
completely, sir.
வணக்கம் சார். இந்த உங்க அனிருத்தன் ஒருத்தன் உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கானா சார் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு? அந்த பையன் என்கிட்ட ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணியிருக்கான் சார். அவன் டாஸ்க் 1, 2 வீடாப்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணல. டாஸ்க் 3 பண்றான்னு கேட்டா பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறான். அவனை கொஞ்சம் என்ன சொல்றான்னா, நான் வீடாப்ல மறந்துட்டேன் அப்லோட் பண்றதுக்கு அப்படின்றான். சார் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 4 கிளாஸ் ஆரம்பிச்சப்போ கொடுத்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு டைம் எப்படி கொடுத்ததுன்னா கேட் 1க்கு முதல் நாள் வரலையும் டைம் கொடுத்துட்டேன் சார். கிட்டத்தட்ட 2 மாசம் அவங்க டைம் கொடுத்து அதுக்கான கோடிங்கு எல்லாமே நானே எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணி வீடியோ எல்லாமே அவனுக்கு சொல்லியாச்சு. ஒன்லி திங் அவனோட ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் நம்பர் போட்டு டேட்டாவா போட்டு எடுக்க வேண்டியதான். அதை எடுக்க மாட்டேங்கிறான் சார். ரெகுலரா அட்டன் பண்றது இல்ல தம்பி, கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க சார். மைக்ரோ கண்ட்ரோலர் சார். அவன் ப்ராஜெக்ட் வேற பண்ணணும், அதுதான் பிரச்சனையே. ப்ராஜெக்ட் இருக்கு. ஆமா, இவன் நம்ம சாதாரண கோடிங்கே பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறான். அப்புறம் எப்படி ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணுவான்னு தெரியல. கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. இப்போதான் வந்திருக்கேன், கிளாஸ்லயே இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டேன் அவன்கிட்ட. எப்படி இருந்தாலும் உங்ககிட்ட பெர்மிஷன் வாங்கினாதான் நான் வந்து மார்க் போடுவேன் அப்படின்ட்டேன். உங்ககிட்ட வருவான் அவன். ஓகே சார், பார்த்துக்கோங்க சார். தேங்க்யூ சார். அனிருத், I have informed him. You get a permission letter from him and upload that letter also in task 3 and 4. Any other
Okay,
student like him who has not submitted? Bit of task 1 and 2. Okay, everybody please fill the doc file link or task 5. Nineteen BEC 767, 776, 778. Create it fast. Yes. Everyone are able to see the task files, I think so. So let us start with the 4A, the explanation of serial communication. Last week I explained the serial communication program. This program is completed.
Sir,
Yes. Anyone respond?
I'm unable to paste, sir, in the box. It's not going to paste. I asked my friend to
Okay,
paste.
you call madam. Madam will respond
Yes, sir.
related to that. Okay, any other student who is having an issue with not able to access your column, you can call to madam. Madam will give access. Okay, Ankit Singha. What was the topic we discussed in the last class?
So the timer, sir.
Timer. Okay. So
Yes,
today
sir.
we will be seeing about the serial communication programs.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Program number 1, write an 8051 assembly level program to transfer your serial number, registration number, name, lab slot, and then VAT. I will be transferring my name and Vellore Institute of Technology as a demo program. You will be transferring all these details. You have to modify according to your data set. Okay. So one stop bit, one start bit will be having, and totally 8 bits will be used for representing the data. So the representation of data will be in hexadecimal ASCII value. The program I have shared in the window for your future reference. Okay, I will explain the program. So always when you upload hereafter, when you are uploading task number 3, 4, 5, everything, origin for that particular task, program number, task number you have to write. So you mention like this, program number 1 of task number 4. Okay, for program number 1 of task 4 to transfer your serial number, name, VAT as data serially at the baud rate 9600 as given in the question. So question has to be included here, and in the origin has to be reframed like this. In the examination also you have to follow it. In your theory as well as practical examination, whatever be the case, the origin has to be written in this format only. Please note down it carefully. So CAT 2, it will be very seriously monitored. Similarly, term and it will be very seriously checked. Without comments, no answer must be there. So DPTR, my data. So 300H is going to be same. So in that TMOD register, I'm going to store 2DH. What is the need of this 20H? Mode 2, timer 1. I'm going to configure timer 1 in mode 2. Okay, why I am configuring? Because it has to provide the baud rate at which the data is going to be transmitted or received in the serial port. So the baud rate has been calculated for 9600. So this calculation you can share in the chat box. Okay. So that is the question for today's class. With your name, registration number, share the baud rates for all the 5 programs. What I am going to explain. Okay, after explanation. Before leaving the lab. Okay, see, SCON register will be 50H. So 8-bit data, 1 stop bit, and enabling the receiver. Okay, this is done for SCON register, configuration register for serial communication. Then we are starting the timer. Count value of the characters, what is there? So dr dot Dhanapal space r, comma, Vellore space institute space of space technology space. I have calculated the total characters. What is there? It is 46. Then clear the accumulator, load one by one. The characters has been loaded one by one because DPTR is going to point out this memory location. One by one it will be loaded, and each character will be transferred to the serial buffer from accumulator. So we cannot directly transfer the data from the memory to the serial communication port SBUF. Instead of that, the register has to be transferred from the accumulator content. So therefore, temporarily I will load all the data from the memory to the accumulator, and through accumulator I'm transferring it to the serial buffer. And I am waiting till the transmission is been happening. So monitoring the transmit flag, interrupt flag till it completes. Then I am repeating this step. To repeat the step, I have to clear the flag, increment the DPTR to point out the next character. So initially D has been moved, means next character R will be moved, next dot will be moved, like that it will be going on. Increment DPTR, then this decrementation R1 is nothing but how many characters I have completed. And then total thing I am going to repeat it completely. Continuous option I am going to keep. Unconditional looping. Save this program. Okay, so this is the laboratory first task. Similarly, in the book, textbook, we got a program to display BIT. So that I explained in the theory class, but I didn't demonstrate it for the morning batch students. I will first demonstrate that program. So here, character by character, I have moved. There, what I have done, I have moved data from the memory. So here, I have given immediate data. So immediate data means what happens? The program will become bigger because more number of characters. If you are moving immediately, we require more number of data to be mapped one by one. So what happens is for 3 characters itself, the program becomes much big. If you include more number of characters, then you can see how big the program will be. Instead of that, we are going for that method. So first I will explain, execute this program, what we did explain in the theory class. Then we will go for the program number 1. I have already added this program in the project window. I am checking for errors. I am building the target, executing this program. In your textbook, the same program will be given with yes. Instead of yes, I have given VIT. So you can see VIT is being displayed continuously. So if minimum number of characters are there, we can do like this. Since we are having more number of characters for our data set in the laboratory program, we are following the new method. Okay, by storing the information in the memory. So I will open that particular program what I explained before, and I will execute this program. Now you can observe that more number of characters, how the output will be. Continuous run, you can see that the execution part. You can show character by character or continuous run or your task. So that individuality, I'm giving the individuality in providing the output, coloring, effectiveness, everything with the labeling, everything you have to do. So this is the execution of the first program. Now let us go to the second program. Task number 4, program number 2. Okay, 4B. Write a 8051 assembly level program to get your class serial number, laboratory or theory data from the PC and display it to port 1. So here port 1 is being made as a output port. Origin 00, origin of the ALP to get your class serial number, data from the PC and display it to port 1. T mod is been set to 20H. So what I am going to do here is timer 1 in mode 2. For every program, I am configuring the timer 1 in mode 2 because it is going to be providing the baud rate for running the program. So here I have given -6. Previous program I have given -3. Here I have given -6. So you have to show the calculation for both the things in the chat box after the explanation. So what is the baud rate? Calculate the baud rate, and when you are writing the code, you fill the baud rate here. SCON 50H, 8-bit, 1 stop bit, REN enables SCON configure. Start the timer. We have to check the receiver flag. So previous program, what we did, we loaded the value from accumulator to SBUF, then we check the TI, transmit flag. In receiver side, first we have to check the receiving interrupt flag. Please note on that. Receiving interrupt flag has to be verified and then load the value from the serial buffer to the accumulator. So this is the only variation compared to the previous program and this program. And then the same content from accumulator, we are moving to port 1. So here also, you cannot directly move the content of SBUF to port 1. So we are transferring it to the accumulator, and from accumulator, we are moving it to port 1 and then clearing the RI. There we cleared TI. Here we are going to clear RI, receive interrupt flag. So RI and TI are the specific flags for serial communication. And this operation is going to be repeated unconditionally. Okay, end of the program. So we can give end of the program of 2. பண்ணும்போது இந்த இடத்துல ஆரிஜின்ல அவனோட ப்ரோக்ராம் எழுதிருக்கானான்னு பாத்துக்கோங்க. Origin of ALP and the point end of the program of 2 ALP 2 of task 4. அது மாதிரி ஏன்னா நமக்கு எந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்க்கு என்ன எழுதிருக்கான்னு தெரியுது. அது மற்றவங்களுக்கு சொல்லிருங்க, அந்த நம்ம வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்ல போட்டு. So you can verify that. And also, so madam will have the clarity in what program you are answering. Because sometimes since 5 programs are there, all looks similar. To which program you are answering, it must be very clear in the examination point of view as well as in the lab record point of view. So I am updating it effectively.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, just out of curiosity, sir, like, what is the use of serial communication, sir? Because the same data is used in multiple lines. So, how does that help in communication?
See, serial mode of communication will help in displaying our information. See, we are having most of the time we are going to do automation, whether it is automobile or in industries. Mostly we will
Yes.
apply microcontroller for automation, but there
Yes.
may be some unexpected error. For example, in an industry, you are trying to make a particular product, raw material is missing.
Okay.
This has to be communicated to you as a end worker. You must know that that is missing. Correct?
Yes, sir.
To display that, we require a mechanism. So this helps to display the error messages when you are coding.
Okay.
For example, in mobile phones, if there is an error in your mobile phone, if it is corrupted, what happens? It will display no. Then only you will know that there's something happened,
Yes.
functioning, and you will go and service the mobile. So
Yes.
like automobiles, when you switch on, nowadays everything is been microcontroller. There you will be getting an error message in the display. So how to generate and write this error message? This has been explained. How to
Okay.
communicate. For example, you are trying to transfer a content to your particular device. You are dumping the code in a microcontroller. Let us assume. After completion of dumping, you have to know that whether the code is been dumped or not. A message has to be sent to you. Correct. So
So it's
that
like
will
a
be
confirmation
done by
message.
this particular code, which is pre-written.
Okay.
This may
Okay.
be mostly pre-written in the hardware to have a interaction between the external world and the peripherals.
Okay. Okay. So thank you, sir.
In railway system reservations, whether the ticket is booked or not, we can have this thing. So after completing a task, we can give this information. For example, you would have done, you are doing a project, let us assume. Your project is to start a motor. You are starting a motor. The end user must know whether the motor is started or not. It will be displayed. Motor is started according to the microcontroller. But the motor is not rotating. Then you can find out there is a mistake in the hardware, motor hardware, not in the microcontroller. You know, sometimes this display is not given means, okay, there is a problem in the coding itself. So we can differentiate. I hope you have been clarified what is the need of this particular program.
Yes. 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 Thank you.
Okay. So this is the to enhance our features. That's all.
Thank you, sir.
Nowadays, we are having many techniques. Instead of 7-segment displays, we are having multi-segment displays. We will be having a matrix displays that is available as a television. You would have seen in most of the marriage functions or in VAT, there will be a big television set which is displayed for advertisement of our VAT conferences.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you come to VAT, you can view that. Okay, since you are not here, you can try to view most of the time in railway stations. They are displaying this train information about the trains, list of
Yes, sir.
trains which are moving. Mostly they will be using this type of serial communication to display there, running display of that
Yes, yes.
information.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now let us run this program and understand the program number 4B. I will remove this program. I will add program number B to this 4B. I have slightly modified the programs, the questions. Please, yesterday night I have sent it. Please verify it. Okay, and the programs I have corrected. Other batches also you inform by. Just I have added some factors. Okay, I will run this program. So what are the things we want is port 1 we want. So I have opened this parallel port. Sir, in my system, it is not open means you can open this with the tools. வாங்க sir. வாங்க sir. I'm executing this program. Let us see that program number 2. Okay, so P1 I have opened. If it is not there, you can go and open to. You will be having peripherals, input, output, port 2, port 1, whatever ports you want, you can open. So I don't want port 2 means I can remove it. Okay. So now port 1 I'm here. This is timer 1 serial communication windows. So TI RI flags I can observe here. I can observe this TCON register, TMOD registers, SCON register, all these registers content. And then if this UART window is not opened, you go to view serial windows, select the UART one. So it is not open like this, you are getting means go to, mostly you will be getting like this because you didn't do any serial communication programs before. So if you are getting like that, you go open serial window, you will be getting it. Now you give continuous run of this program. You can see that I have to give the information what in serial buffer. In this window, you just type capital A, caps lock, capital A. Its ASCII value will be replicated in port 1, 41. If I type small a, '61. I hope ASCII values table you are having with you, or madam will be sharing it in the chat box. You can refer the ASCII table 61 in hexadecimal. Whatever character you are having, as for your case, you can do it. Sir, serial number 3 is there, sir. My serial number in the class. You give a serial number 3, 33 ASCII value will be there. Serial number 4, 34. So you will be getting the ASCII value of the serial number what you are providing. So this is the way you have to take the output for this particular. You want serial to parallel port communication. Sir, I want to display the information in all the ports, sir. Why you are displaying in one port, sir? I want to display it in all the ports, sir. Just if you are interested to display in all the ports, you can give your move. Port 2, A. Zero. So don't use port 3 because port 3 we are using for serial communication. Okay. We can display in port 1, port 2 and port 0. I will show that program also.
So can we
Good.
display different characters also? Like instead of A, we can write B, C, or any other character.
Yes, character by character you can give by a, but it will give the output will be in ASCII value, hexadecimal ASCII value.
So just one more thing, sir. I just checked the ASCII value of capital A is 65. And in that it was showing 61. So what's the difference? Why it's coming like that?
No, I would have typed some other character randomly.
Okay, sir.
Because when I am speaking, no, I would have typed a Q or like that some other character. That's the problem.
Okay, sir.
Next one is we are having this communication with all these channels. Now the program number 3, 4C. Here what we are going to do is the same operation we are going to do, but the variation is we are going to get an information in a baud rate 4800, and that particular character is going to be sent to the LEDs, and the port 1 we are going to connect it to LED, and port 2 we are going to connect to switch, and we are going to get the information from a port and transferring it serially. So vice versa of the previous program. Here the port 2 is being made input port. Their port is being made as output port. Here port 2 is being made as an input port, and we are going to give the input in port 2, and we are going to view the resultant value in serial window. So same TMOD value is been 20, the baud rate here is 4,800. So I have changed the baud rate for each and every experiment. So 9,006, the first experiment, if you take it is 9,600. Second experiment, you can take it is -6. You are going to calculate. Third experiment, I am giving a 4,800. So I have tried to give all the programs in different baud rates, but in a textbook, you may say see the same baud rate will be there. So for our experiment, we are giving in different baud rates. And according to that, one place I have given in decimal number system. Here I am loading that in a hexadecimal number system. Starting the timer, I am taking the data from port 2. And from port 2, I am transferring it to serial buffer. The same time, I am going to transfer it to port 1. Okay, I am going to wait till the receiving operation has been completed. So let us take the execution of this program by removing this 4B. I'm going to add this 4C. I'm checking for errors, building the target, executing for this particular thing. I require port 2. So now peripherals, I am opening port 2. So what is the role of port 2? Port 2 will be the input port. Okay. So I'm running the program. Here in port 2, I'm going as 1. In numbers, I'm changing it as 1.
Why you are changing them to 1 1?
1 minute. I didn't data. I'm giving the data. Any random value. It can be 1 1 or anything. You want to change as 1 2. Okay, I can give this. Okay, continuous run I am giving. This bit I am giving triggering automatically. I can get the value here in port. Similarly, when I press now I am giving this 1 4. I can get in port. Similarly, I'm giving this value 5. I will get the value. What is there? So when there is a proper ASCII value for it, it may be obtained. So 61. If I give in ASCII value, I'm trying. So I will get small a. 41. I'm giving. Capital A. This is in hexadecimal. Yeah. 0x hexadecimal. Go and check the ASCII value of this. Don't check decimal value. Decimal value will be different. ASCII value, you can verify the previous program. Opposite of it, I am giving here. So, sir, why sir small a it came 61, capital A it came 41. Now I have did it in the opposite way. I am getting the same result. Okay, if I give 42, I am clicking this. Okay. Similarly, if I give a 49, you can type your name here. So, okay. This is about the program number 3.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
so using that method, like
Hmm.
putting the ASCII value of our data,
Ah,
that is how we have to do this one, like
yes,
the
yes,
data
yes,
record we
correct.
have to print.
Yes, you have to know, you have to have the data sheet printout of that ASCII table. ASCII table I have already shared in task number 2 itself, I think so. Last,
Okay.
you will be having the ASCII
So
data sheet. Or in Google, you will get the ASCII data sheet, or madam, Google search பண்ணி ASCII data table put. Share பண்ணி.
so
Madam will
whatever
be sharing
data we want to, so whatever data we want to display, that
it,
or
that
their
is
ASCII
given in the
value we have
question.
to
Yes.
put in the port number.
Yes, whatever data
okay.
your class serial number, your class serial number, theory and practical, you take the output. That's why for program number 2, I have just given class serial number, it is sufficient. Program number 3 also, you can represent the numerical value of your registration number, it is sufficient. So your numerical value means total thing is hexadecimal only 16 BEC. That value will be displayed. ASCII
So
value
the
of
program B and C are the same, just the data set is different.
no. Program C and B are vice versa. See, in the program B, what
Okay.
you have done? You are giving the data from a serial port and receiving it in
To the
P1,
port.
port 1.
Yeah.
In
P1.
program C, what you have done? You are giving the data in
From
port.
P2 to
You are receiving the
serial
data
bus.
in serial. That's
Okay.
vice versa of the previous program. Their serial port acts as an input, means here serial port acts as an output.
And the data set is also different.
Yes, data set is also different because madam has to verify, no. So if
Okay,
the
okay,
same
sir.
data set you are giving means he may be confused for what program you are executing. That's why I have given data set, different data set for both the cases.
So,
Yes.
so the numbers
Because
which
you will do only one program, but we have to verify more than 50 programs from different students. So that time we must not be confused with the data set. That's why. Yes, ma'am.
sir, like in the port you enter random numbers. So we also what number of our registration number we have to enter that, like for example,
Yes.
our registration number is 16 BC 01 123. So what we have to enter in that?
One by one you enter character 1 you enter, then 6 you enter, then B you enter. Take output for all the characters. E you enter, C you enter. So that many, how many characters are there in your registration number? That many times you have to get the output.
And snip it and paste it.
Yes. And you have to prove that this is your registration number and you have taken the output for your thing. So
Like
you
we
have done means you will be taking for your name. So when it is been shared in the file, if you give open access also, another fellow does means he has to execute for his data set. He cannot copy. To prevent copying, I have given the data set according to your registration number.
okay, sir.
And we can find out whose data set he has taken automatically. And
Also,
who is the
sir,
original person. Okay,
also, sir, like port in you are giving 0x11. So first we have to give 0x1, then 0x9, then 0xb, like that.
Yes, correct.
Okay, sir.
0x is nothing but 9h you are writing, no.
Yes,
As
sir.
a human being, we will be writing as 9h, 4h. This particular key software will represent hexadecimal as 0x.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That's the thing. 0x is nothing but hexadecimal. If 0b means binary.
0x has and 0.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let us go for the program number 4D. Write an ALP 8051 assembly level program to send a PC the message I will upload all the tasks on the DA to VTOP on time. Receive your class serial number as a data sent by PC and put it in the LED connected to port 1 and get the sum of digits of your serial number as data on switches connected to port 2 and send it to PC. So you have to do some manipulations. Sum of digits already you would have done in your task number 1. That manipulation you have to do. I am not going to show that manipulation. I have given the program without manipulations. So you have to find out where you have to add that manipulations, and from that value you have to load it to the accumulator and it has to be sent. Okay, this other cases of this program is 2 operations we are going to do simultaneously. One is receiving and
Sir?
transmitting. Yes, ma'am.
So what do you mean by manipulation?
Manipulation means performing addition. Sum of this digit.
Okay.
You have to perform the addition. You have to show the addition, arithmetic operation. Sum of digits you have done in task number 1 of your
So that we
registration.
can
That
show in
program you
manual
have to bring it here.
calculation.
Addition, yes. That is manipulation, yes. Manipulate the summation of digits you take. Okay, now I am providing the port 2 to be the input port, and origin I can mention here. Are the things I'm going to do. The 3 cases I'm going to do. Okay. So port 2 is been made as an input port. Then timer for configuring the baud rate. 4800 I have used as a baud rate. And I have explained 8-bit, 1-stop bit and REIN enabled for SCON register. You have to draw the SCON tmod control word format and all. Then TR1 I'm providing, start the timer, load the data. The data or the message what I am going to give here is R Dhanapal and RA will verify all the tasks and DA in VTOP. So I'm just giving this data. So you have to give the data according to your message. So this is the message for your case. Okay. So I am giving for my set. So the variation between what you have done and I have done. Then that I am loading one by one. This is similar in all the programs. Then what I am going to do is I'm going to call the subroutines. The subroutine will be doing the function of moving the data to port 2, sending the data to port 2, receive the data serially and transmit the data serially. So serial data transfer, I am going to check for loading the value and the TI flag has been checked. Next, similarly, here RI flag is checked first and then I am loading the data. So what I have done is I have taken the program number A, 4, B and C. I have merged into one programs with thus both the serial communication, transmit and receive. And clear this value. I am going to run this program. Both operations of the previous 2 programs have been done. Only thing is you have to include the calculation of some of your digits. So I'm running the program. Okay. So you will be having, sorry. I didn't build the target because it will run the previous program. For 1 minute, I didn't add this program. Sorry, I've added the previous program 4D. I have to remove this. I'm building the target. Now execution. Giving. So I can get the information. I'm displaying it only one time. So this value I'm displaying only one time on the display. So this is about this program. Next program number 5. Write a program to send the message. So you have been given a different message. Assure you that I will answer all the ALP in tabular column with algorithm, manual calculation, and flowchart in the CAT2 and term and examination to the serial port. Assuming SW is connected to the pin P1.2. So this is going to modify the baud rate. So switch is 0 means 4,800. Switch is 1 means 9,600. So we are going to modify the baud rate. Okay, for that particular switch. So P1.2, I'm going to declare as switch. So I am defining it as switch, and then I'm going to load the program. So this program is directly taken from the textbook. The baud rate has been configured to 4,800. So I will just move the comments. Then I'm starting the timer. So all these things, timer starting is similar to the different previous program. Then I am checking for a slower speed, the switch value. Based on that, the pecan is been configured. And I'm going to write that set that pecan value by setting the accumulator.7th bit. So after setting that as 1, I am making pecan to have the data what is there in A accumulator. Therefore, automatically that S mod register value is been set to 1. I am also configuring here for the other cases, that is for a DPTR, the message 1. So this message 1 only you have to modify. So there message 1 you have to go below and you have to modify according to your requirement. So your database you have to modify. To ensure that you are giving the end character, because I am going to check this method. I am checking whether the 0 character is there or not. So in the previous first program, what I did, I calculated the total number of characters and then I verified. So here I am not giving any total number of character. Instead of that, after giving within double quotes, I am giving all the information. I am giving a 0. You refer comma 0. This 0 will indicate that the total characters are being transmitted. That's why I am verifying here. In every case, I am verifying whether that 0 flag is configured or 0 is been obtained or not. If 0 is reached, the total data has been transmitted. So I am taking like that. That's why I didn't count the total number of characters. The another method is counting the total number of characters and doing it. So I will remove this program. I will add this file to this. I can continuously run the program. So you can see that the information is continuously, repeatedly typing. Here, yes, mod register is there. Okay, so the baud rate we are going to treat. So what we are going to do here is, if you read the program, there is option for P1.2. P1.2 is been configured as high. So P1.2, the bit position. If you want to configure it as low, we can set it to low. And similarly, for the slow operation, jump on no bit SW. So for slow operation, SW is nothing but P 1.2. So P1 I have given 0, 1, 2. The speed, this you can see in the hardware directly, but when you do in software, the speed will be slightly, we can observe, but we cannot observe it very effectively. Okay, so this is about this is a hardware based program, but when you do in hardware, you can observe the speed effectively. Here there is an option we can do. That option is this one. Okay, we can change it and we can give the continuous run. So this is about the programs what is given in your textbook. I have included extra 2 programs and totally 5 programs I have given. Only thing you are going to do is you are going to include here the arithmetic operation of some of your values in 4D. You are going to modify based on the this particular program output. Okay, you have to take remaining all these cases directly run the program. Only thing is you have to modify the data set here. That's all. I have given just if you instead of this thing, you have to remove and give your data set. It will work. But program D, you have to modify. All other programs is just the data set you have to modify. And this thing, there is no need of modification. Just you have to give the input according to your data set. First 2 things, you have to get the output. Here you have to just modify this value according to your data set. Okay, your data set is here. So your serial number, registration number, name, and you can get the output. So we have completed the explanation about task 3 and 4 completely. So task 3 and 4, you click here, set the crystal oscillator frequency as 11.0592. And then you do the operations. Okay, so device target default it will be 40. Instead of that, you go for and ensure that you have selected P89B51RD2. 40 megahertz is the maximum frequency that will be displayed here. I have modified it to 11.0592 and I am using the device. Okay, so this is the overall explanation of all the task 1 to 4 is been completed. Try to complete all the tasks. Upload in your Google Sheet. Confirmation. Include delay calculation. This count value calculation for serial communication. Now what you do is you go to that file. I have given the help manual task 4. Open that. Which has been shared in your mail. Okay, you can check this calculation part. This you do it manually. These diagrams you have to include. What are the diagrams there? So you use this calculation part for 9,600, 4,800. You calculate and show. Okay, they have given 9,600, 2,400, 1,200. You calculate for whatever values what we have taken as a baud rate. And after this, with your name and registration number, you share it in the chat box for today's attendance. And these
Sir?
diagrams you have to include. 1 minute, I will complete and then you can ask. These diagrams you have to include RS-232, how the start bit is being going to be given for your data transfers. Okay, so why it is value, what mode we are going to use, all this information I have taken and given here. You can write all this information in your program. The first 3 things. Sir, I want to learn in depth more than that, sir. Where is that information, sir? How to get that information? I have given the diagrammatical representations, the SMOCON configuration diagrams, and then how a data is going to be received and transmitted using mode 1. Okay, baud rate calculations, how it has been done, I have given here also. And what are the list of baud rates, what we have used in hexadecimal number system for 11.0592, for 12, for 16, for 20, they have calculated and they are given. So in the examination, theory examination point, instead of 11.0592, it may be 12 or 16 or 20, like that it may change. So it will be helpful for you. And this diagram will explain for 11.0592, you are writing here the crystal oscillator frequency. Instead of that, you have to replace that with some other frequency given in the examination. You have to draw this diagram. What is the internal frequency? What is the baud rate you are calculating? From various books I have snapped and I have shared it for your diagrams and learning purpose. Please have this. These are the books from where I have taken these references. These books already I have shared in your VTOP as well as MS Teams. The links are there. You can download the book directly and you can refer it. All this algorithms, flowcharts I have taken from it. You can also refer algorithms and flowchart for serial communication are given in both the books. Okay, ma. Yes, now you can ask your query.
Yes, sir. So in task 3, question number 2, sir, it says to generate a 500 hertz square wave, and then it says repeat 1 and 2. So do you want us to have 2 separate programs for question number 2, sir?
Yes. 2 separate programs. One net with what I have given 500 hertz. Another
Okay.
program is for the multiplication of your registration number. You are multiplying and you are getting one value, no, for that
Yes.
frequency.
Okay.
Because sometimes you are not able to do that. At least this program, some students may show no. The weak students will show at least minimum, at least one program they will show. For you, for you can try for both the programs. Both programs you have to show one with 500 hertz, another one by the multiplication factor.
Okay, sir. That's only for question number 2, sir.
Yes. Only for question number 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please answer the delay the count value calculation for the 9,600, 4,800, whatever baud rates we have used in task 4, 1 to 5 programs. Do the calculation in the notebook. Take a snap with your name and registration number. Share it in the chat box. And you can leave now. Next week, we may start the review number. We will plan for review number 2. Okay. The guidelines for the template I have already shared for review number 2. You can go through from your project platform of VTOP. Okay. So what is to be the content of PPT? It has been shared. So next week we will start the review. Live review will be there. All the batch members must be present. Lively, they will be presenting the review.
Sir,
Yes,
Sir.
Goya.
sir, in baud rate, like for 3, when the baud rate is 9600, the value is coming 3 and it is equal to FT. So what's that FD, sir? I'm not getting
FD
that.
is the negative -3 in hexadecimal.
-3 in hexadecimal.
Hexadecimal. If you are having the calculator or you take our calculator, what is there in your Windows?
Yes, sir.
Move to programmer mode. In that you give -3. FD you will be getting. Our design is of 8-bit. Therefore, last 2 8 bits will be used for representation.
So I have uploaded task 1 and task 2 before the deadline.
Hmm.
But in the status, is empty. Like there is no yes or no in the status.
Madam will
But I
verify.
have uploaded
Madam
it.
will take one by one and she will be giving the suggestions. Don't worry. Already you have uploaded.
Yes, sir, I have uploaded before deadline and you have given me marks. Like I have got my marks for task 1 and task 2, but in the status it's empty.
Okay, okay. Madam will fill it. Madam will fill
Sir,
it.
even for
Madam
me
is
also,
doing-
sir, I have
working on
uploaded.
it.
Sir,
Madam,
same.
Okay, okay. I understand, madam. அதில் fill பண்ணிருங்க. நீங்க வந்து proceed மற்ற பேட்ச்ல எல்லாம் அவங்க கொடுக்குறாங்க. They are typing proceed. You just type proceed. If you are verified, you give it as proceed. That's why they are having a. Okay, madam. That only if there is a mistake, we have to give her. So I have said that she will be giving comment for each and everything. Don't worry. From next task, she will be giving it. To, please give time. Within next week, she will be giving the comment for all the task 3. If you have uploaded. நீங்க அது ஃபைனலா ஓகேன்னா ப்ரொசீடுன்னு கொடுத்துருங்க. ஏன்னா மற்ற பேட்ச்ல அவங்க கொடுக்குறாங்க. அதனால தான் அவங்க கேட்குறாங்க.
Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So next week we have review 2, right?
Yes, Bhaiya. Yes, Bhaiya. Yes, Bhaiya.
So for that we need to show a PPT with the explanation of our project.
Yes, Bhaiya. PPT with the code. And if you are having the implementation in your online tool or softwares like Proteus. If you are having a software demonstration, you can present the software demonstration. Proteus demonstration of your idea. You can use the microcontrollers 8051 or whatever microcontroller you want. Proteus will support most of the microcontrollers. So please verify whether it is supporting or not before using that microcontroller. I'm having hardware means you can show the hardware also. Sir, we have completed the hardware. We want to present the hardware. Yes, you are having the rights to provide, explain the hardware. And you can use any IDE. Sir, I don't want to use Proteus. You can use any IDE. Alternative list has been given here. You can click and you can use any IDE you want. Sir, I want to present my paper in a conference. How to find out list of conferences upcoming. நீங்க எப்படி மேடம் கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் பாக்குறீங்க கண்டுபிடிக்கிறீங்க எந்த வெப்சைட் பண்ணி பாக்குறீங்க ஓகே. அந்த லிங்க் மட்டும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. எங்க பார்க்கலாம் அப்படின்றது மட்டும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் அலர்ட்ஸ் எங்க பார்க்கலாம்னு சொல்றது ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. If you are planning for publishing in your paper in conferences, you can search for conferences, various conferences from these alerts. You can register for conference alert to your mail ID directly. There is a according to your place, you can search. Sir, I am near Delhi, sir. I will do. You can, because virtual conferences are happening in most of the states nowadays. So any district you are belonging, not a issue. You can find out the conference list of conference which are happening, and you can plan for your publications. Not only my subject, it can be for all the project subjects, PBL courses. You can plan for publications. So you can search the conferences in and around your city. So they have given Agra, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, most of the cities which are Noida, Ranchi, Mumbai, list of conferences they have provided. Okay, Trivandrum, Chennai, you can find out, and you can plan for online paper presentation. Madam will also share some list of conferences in and around V8. So how to search in IEEE. So IEEE based conferences, Madam will be sharing. You can use it. And these are the list of conference alert websites. You can register and get the details about conferences. Okay. Please share your answers and you can leave.
Sir, I have shared my answer. Can you check if it is correct or not? Like for the 4800 baud rate, I am getting 6, and the hexadecimal value I'm getting HA something.
Already the answers are given in that particular sheet itself, man.
Yes, sir.
If you go below, all the answers are given here. Directly you can verify these answers. Just
Okay.
to mine, you are having all the answers in this sheet. Why you are asking me again? This is the answer. Total answer also I have provided. Only thing is you have to calculate and you have to verify that you are getting the same result.
Sir, in the ASCII PDF, which you have
I have
sent.
shared now. Take now I have shared. Check. Now there is a picture. No, you are getting a picture. This one, ma. 8051 microcontroller based. I have given the formulas. Baud rate 11,0592 is your thing, means what will be the answer? If you have taken 12 means what will be the answer? All the answers have been provided here.
Correct, sir. I got FA only.
You got
Yes, sir.
okay.
Can I leave, sir? I have updated that sheet also, Google Sheets.
Okay, Google Sheet you have updated means I will give you documents. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You can leave. So those who are shared can leave. Verify the answer. All the formulas, everything is been given in the right. On the sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು கிடையாது. 29:30 தானே மேடம் 29:30 ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரெண்டு பேர் நீங்க ஜஸ்ட் சீரியல் நம்பர் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க போதும். நான் ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் நம்பர் சொல்றேன் 7 213 கரெக்டா மேடம் 8 வந்து 278 எஸ்
Sir, wait, I am present, sir.
then why you didn't create the file?
Sir, no, sir. Actually, my mail logged out, sir. It is not syncing now, sir. So that I will.
Okay, what I can do, man, you have to try, you go and solve that issue. Because your lab term and examination and all, you cannot write without a proper email ID. Or speak to VIT and change your mail ID through your proctor.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, no, sir. It just logged out, sir. I will log in within 15 minutes, sir.
Okay, then create it and share the link.
I want to sync that, sir. So that I want
Okay.
to time.
Okay, do it. 278,
Sir,
What is your number?
Sir, I'm present, sir.
Huh? What is your
I'm
number?
creating the file, sir. I'll send the link in the chat box within few minutes.
No. See, 278 is there or not?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Okay. What is your link? Share panirkana illaya madam? You
Sir,
have
I
not
will
shared
share
the link. See, only
Sir,
if you share the link, I will give the attendance, man.
Sir, I'm doing in my phone, sir. Actually, I'll do it.
Whatever be, I said from the beginning of the class that you must have a laptop for laboratory section. Whether you are doing in phone or that and all, none of my business. You want attendance means you take a laptop, you do it, or I will mark you absent.
Sir, 213 present, sir. I'll do it, sir. 213.
You do it, man. Then only I will give attendance, or I will both of them I will mark absent. You do it, then I will give attendance. The file must be there. That's all. For 1 to 5, do it. அடுத்தது சொல்லுங்க மேடம் 13. If you share the file, then I will give attendance. Next. அவ்வளவுதான மேடம் 25. Okay, all these fellows of share the file for task 1 to 5. Or attend Monday's lab again. Monday I am having one lab slot, attend that and get the attendance after creating, if you are having the trouble now. Okay.
Sir, I will attend Monday's lab, sir.
Attend Monday's lab and then get attendance on that time. Then also you must create at that time. You have
Sir,
to
I'll-
create within that. I am giving time till Monday. You are not creating now. Yes, others can check the attendance in Meetup and share your answers in the chat box and you can leave. So only if you share the answers in chat box, automated attendance will be noting down that you are doing something in the laboratory without being idle. So I want everyone to share the calculation part in the chat box. Baud rate calculation. Answers I have already shared as well as add can leave. This way calculation has to be done. And this calculation has to be shown in your program also. For each and every program, you have to write the flow chart, calculation, diagrams has to be drawn. Similarly for timer.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
so by diagram, you mean the same diagram in that photo that you.
Tmod diagram, control word format, Tmod and SCON control word format. The diagrams are given in the help manual. If you open that help manual, that lab file, there I have given the diagrams. I will share that also for your reference. All these diagrams you have to draw by hand when you're uploading in VTalk. And the examination point of view, these diagrams are important. Why it is 50H? All these diagrams I have taken from the PPT, what I have shared in the theory class and what we discussed in the theory class. In that only I'm sharing. In the help manual, all these diagrams are provided for you. Only thing is you have to draw these diagrams using a hand. Don't cut and paste as, or you can use some tools and you can draw it. The small control word formats and all I have given, you can refer SCON, PCON, all this, whatever is necessary for you. So SCON registers control word format is provided. TMOD control word format, you can get it from your timer program. The diagrams, what I'm sharing must be there in your manual. Or explaining pictorially in the examination point of view, you are going to. Okay, just calculate and share it in the chat box and you can leave.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I did it, sir. 0278.
Where you have shared? Share
Sir,
it
in the
again.
document, sir, in the spreadsheet. Task file link.
No,
Sir.
no, you share it in the chat box, Bhaiya.
My tiny URL link, I should share it in the chat box, sir.
No. See, Kaushik has written and shared, no, like that you calculate the delay and share it.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Oh, you have created the tiny URL.
Yeah, sir, for attendance, sir. This one also, and
You check in VTalk, attendance is given. No, I didn't give. Another fellow has there, no? Another 2 members.
Yes,
Below
sir.
you.
May
Both of them created.
Yes, sir.
Sir, doing, sir, 1 minute.
I posted in the spreadsheet, sir. 0278.
See, we will wait. That fellow has not posted.
Okay, sir.
Okay, those who have created can leave. And ensure that for project review, all the students of your batch must be present. Then only you will be permitted to give the presentation. So make the arrangement. Okay.
0278, sir. 9.
Okay, another fellow.
0213, sir.
Created. Madam, ரெண்டு பேரும் பண்ணிட்டாங்களா? 213 278 பண்ணலையா? 213, what is the status, man?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Doing so.
Sir, 048, can you give, sir, 048. Sir, I will do it within 10 minutes or 15 minutes, sir.
043,
048, sir.
tell your serial number, man.
Sir, 18 BEC 0428, sir.
Serial number, man.
Sir, 2, sir.
Oh, 18 batch student,
I will do
18
it.
batch student, task 1 to task 5 எதான் create பண்ணிருக்காங்க madam? Well, you didn't create anything. Task 1 to task 5 you have to create, man. Then you ask.
Sir, I will create, sir. I just know.
You create or don't ask. I will mark absent only. Without creating, how I can put attendance? Not doing anything in the laboratory. Who is your proctor?
Sir.
Or Monday, till Monday we can upload the attendance. Within Monday, you attend the class, okay, and create a task 1 to task 5. I want to view all the documents, including video. You have to complete. Explanation of your task 1 to task 5. For
Okay, sir.
this is for Pavan Sri Sai, 18
Okay.
BEC 428. Because this fellow, most of the classes, he is not attending the class, not uploading any document. And 428. 428, who is your proctor? Proctor is there or no proctor for you?
Sir, no, sir. Actually, you
Who
speak
is
with
your
my
proctor? Just answer, who is your proctor?
Saranya, ma'am.
Saranya madam.
Sir.
She is also my good friend. Tell her number, mobile number.
Sir, no, sir. Actually, you speak
You
with,
tell her mobile number. That's all.
sir. Within Monday, I will upload with
Hey,
video.
tell you, if you are not telling, I will complain very harshly. Which one you want? You don't know your proctor number?
Sir, I know, sir.
Then tell. See, if you give the number, I will politely request her to sign, and I am trying to give you marks, at least 8 marks or 5, 7 or 5 marks. If I found out the number and call her, then I will give 0 for all the all the tasks. Which one is better? Give the number. Ankit Kumar, respond. Whether you are trying to find the number or what is your status?
Sir, no. No, sir. I am texting you.
The number, man, or type it in the chat box. I will inform her that
But within Monday, I will upload all the tasks and
whether you upload or that is none of my business. I am asking the number.
okay, sir. No, sir. Actually, you speak with
Type.
my mother also yesterday, sir.
What must?
Yesterday, you speak with my mother also, sir.
After that also you are not doing task 1 to task 5.
No, sir. No,
See,
sir.
my
no.
question is whether you are interested to be a good student or you want to debar yourself.
Sir, no, sir.
Because you are spoiling the scenario.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, within Monday,
you check all the programs I have given from task 1 to task 5.
Sir, I will check, sir.
I am explaining all the programs. Just you have to put your data. That's all, and you have to get the output. But till now, after 3 months, you have not created a single program. Not even a single program.
Sir.
Then now, what others will think?
I will do, sir.
So if, see, whether you do or not, that is none of my business. I have to inform to your proctor. If you are not giving, I will inform harshly. Which one is better?
No, sir, I will give, sir.
Type the number in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Don't follow him. Please try to attend all the class, do the work what I am giving. I am not giving any other work outside which cannot be executed. I am giving all the programs completely and then asking you to execute it completely. So if you are on par with what I am explaining, I am giving means it will be easier for you to score high. Or like him, you want to do means you will be in trouble. Already one student, debarred student is not at all attending the class. And I have added him to a project group. What is the status of that fellow in that project group? I will find out the next week. There also you would have not contributed anything, I think so. So try to contribute. So to trace out number 1, number 2, and number 3 are in the hit list. Serial number 1, 2, 3. So mostly they are not at all attending the class regularly. They have not created any of the files till now. Everyone can see why I am asking them. Those others are been affected. They are not interested means they can withdraw the course, study later. They are not feeling comfortable with doing all these activities. They can withdraw and learn. So I want this fellow is not at all typing the number. What happened, man? For typing the number, you want half an hour time, huh?
No, sir, I'm typing.
Where? After informing you, madam has given 2 data, sir. You are not having your proctor's mobile number, I think so. Others can
Sir,
leave.
I have, sir, 213 I have pasted, sir.
Okay, good, ma.
Okay, sir.
From 2 and 3 irkan pathukku.
So I have also done, sir. Can we leave after?
Yes. If you have pasted, you can leave, Bhaiya. Those who have pasted can leave. Thank you. Only the student whom I want to speak to is proctor can wait. Others can leave. Ma.
Sir, can I say the number, sir?
Huh?
Can I say the number? Actually, it is not copying, sir. So
Okay, tell the number.
96
96
00
00
49
19
49, sir.
49
Sir. 68
68
57
68
57, sir.
81 now.
Sir, 57, sir.
57. I will repeat 96 00 496 857. Saranya madam. Right?
Yes, sir.
So when you will show me all the tasks? Tell
Sir,
me.
on Monday, sir.
100% sure.
For sure, sir. I will show you, sir.
Okay, I will wait till Monday. Okay, not now. I will not call her now. Monday I will call her.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you fail to attend the Monday lab, it will
Okay,
be
sir.
very serious. I will not call her. I will complain to you to Dean.
No, sir, I will show you, sir, on Monday.
Let
Sure,
us
sir.
wait. Okay, I'm giving time till Monday.
Okay, sir.
Sri Harit, what is your work? Abhinav? 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 Abhinav?